What's up, everybody? This is Golden70. Welcome back to the grind. Oh, okay, it's being really laggy now. It wasn't being like this a minute ago, but alright. Today I'm trying something different. Today I'm using a controller. So hopefully this works out fine. Okay. So that's the sprint. Can't dodge right now because I'm not... Alright, whatever. Fuck it. Ooh, this actually feels kind of right, playing with a controller like this. Alright, what do you got for me, buddy?
What can Wills do for you?
Crafting. Okay, so I use these blades a lot, so I need to start leveling these up a lot more. The ones I use the most... Shit, where are they? They're... Okay, I think it's these ones that I use the most, because they do 340 for all elements. Ooh, these ones are good though too. Yeah, so this one I need. So the reason why, if the game looks different, like graphic-wise, if you can tell that it looks different, that's because I lowered the graphical settings to medium so that it wouldn't be too taxing on my computer. Because normally when I'm recording, everything just goes to shit real quick. Because I'll admit, it's not the most powerful computer. It's only running on 8 gigs of RAM, and it's got a 3.4 gigahertz CPU. But, I mean, the real kicker is the graphics card. Actually, 2 graphics cards. I got 2 in there. I got one that's actually really old that I decided to just put in there because why the hell not? And then the other one, is the one that I'm using normally. So what I'm using to play this is the same exact graphics card that I have everything plugged into. So the second graphics card, I don't even have to use it. Like it's just there. It's just there to be there. Where the fuck is this bird? There he is. I'm coming for you, motherfucker. No fall damage. Alright, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay. Let's go, bitch! Yahoo! Uh-oh. That's too far. That's too far away. But this should be a lot easier with these things. Because I can... Okay. Sweet. I remembered how to do my actual moves. Ah, fuck. Ow! He fucked me. Alright, I don't remember if it's a light hit or a heavy hit that I'm supposed to use there. But that's okay. Damn it. Hurt! Oh, that was lame. Ow. I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die! I'm not used to using this fucking controller. I don't know why I went right for the fucking big guy. This sucks. I'm probably gonna switch back to PC controls. This game fucking sucks like this. Take that, motherfucker! Yeah, look at all that damage. Oh, back off, back off, back off. Alright. Ow, fucker. Motherfucker. Come here. Oh, nope, never mind. I forgot, he's the one that he doesn't charge, just flies at you. That's the only way you can knock him down. Ow. You fucking cunt. I'll use my airstrike if I have to, but I don't really want to. Come on. Come on. Nope, nope, nope. I fucking hate this guy. I really fucking hate this guy. Come on. Come on. Ow. Motherfucker. This guy just needs to fucking hurry up and die. Yeah, I'm definitely fucked. I'm not doing any damage to this fucker. Because I've... Alright, I had enough time for one. What is he doing? Come on, get in the circle. Are you serious? I just wasted that. Shit. I gotta get after his ass. I see him. That was a quick find. Nope. Come on, asshole. Oh, that's a bad idea. Damn it, that was the wrong attack too. I was pressing Y, which is this attack, but I guess that's not the right one. Ow! Again. Alright, this is just getting ridiculous. And he got a quarter of his health back. What the fuck? I thought I'd be in an at least decent mood, but I'm not. Fucking annoyed. I don't know why I'm trying to do this with the controller. I don't know why. I think it's just so I can be comfortable while doing this. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, dude. Come over here. Come on. Oh my god. What the fuck? Fuck you. You slow piece of shit. Come on. Really? You ran over me? What a chode. Come on, fly at me so I can beat the shit out of you. Oh my god. Fuck this. Oh my god. Really? Really? I fucking hate this guy. Now he flies? Fucking chode muffin. I will fuck you up. I will fuck up your goddamn day. Come on. No, don't do that. Fucking fly at me. You're a bird, so fly. Oh my god. I don't even know what this does. Oh, it's a healing area. Oh, it's a healing area for me only. Normally you use those when you have other people in your party, but I don't. So, I can just stay right here and get health back. Sweet. I got it! I got him! Get him! Getting him down is like the best time to attack him. Hurt! Bam! Hit him while he was doing it. It's at 40% risk though. Damn it! What? I thought I hit him! I hit him that time. Come on. See, now I'm getting it. I gotta keep him right here. No, come back down. Yes! You dumbass piece of shit bird. You fucking bird brain piece of shit. Come on. Come on. Come at me, boy. No balls. No balls. That didn't do anything. Son of a bitch. I don't know what I just did either. Oh, I hit his leg. Ouch. I didn't know I could do that kind of thing. Go. Uh-oh. I was trying to get out of there, but I can't see shit. Reset the camera. Reset it. I don't know how to reset it, actually. Oh, shit. Come on. Come to Papa. Woo! Woo! Come on. Don't be shy. Ow. He fucking hit me. What a bitch. Come on, you bitch. You big bitch. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. I will mess up your goddamn day. Oh, I'm sorry. You trying to fly at me? You trying to fly at me? Nope. Drug tested. Oh, how cute. You think he can run away? Ow, he went Super Saiyan again. These motherfuckers in there Super Saiyan. Bullshit. I don't even know how I'm supposed to hit that guy when he's flying. Other than on the return. Okay. Come on, come on! Get his ass! He's almost dead. Yes! Place the banner, 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 banner! Banner, boys! Hell yeah! That was a struggle. I don't know why that was such a struggle, but it was. I got a B that time. Are you kidding me?